Is great bonding and friendship which takes away from any kind of divisiveness which may arise because of caste, creed or region. We believe at the University Cricket Championship, this is the kind of character we are going to help build in youngsters at the college level. और आज जो 8 टीमें यहाँ पर पार्टिसिपेट कर रही हैं उनको मैं बताना चाहूँगा अगले 15 दिन तक 15 दिन सिर्फ 15 दिन है तुम्हारे पास और शायद ये 15 दिन तुम्हारी जिंदगी के सबसे अहम दिन होंगे और मुझे यकीन कि इन 8 टीमों का हर एक खिलाड़ी अगर अपनी जिंदगी का सबसे बेहतर क्रिकेट खेलेगा तो ये 15 दिन तुमसे ऊपर वाला भी कभी वापस नहीं मांग सकता। सो लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, देश के नए क्रिकेट सुपरस्टार्स हो रहे हैं तैयार क्योंकि अब हमारी बारी है। A big round of applause to this tournament, and it gives me great honor and privilege to call on stage and present to you someone who I am a huge, big fan of. He himself is not new to university cricket. He played for the St. Joseph's College. He went on to play for the Ranji Trophy while he was still doing his BCom and went on to get the BCom degree also. Extremely educated, soft-spoken, a gentleman. I think he epitomizes what University Cricket Championship stands for. He genuinely is the perfect role model for any sportsman in the world due to his hard work, dedication to his craft and sportsman spirit. Please welcome amidst us one of the greatest cricketers the history of game has ever seen, the wall, Mr. Rahul Dravid.
छोड़ दे मैदान किया है ऐलान जीत के भी ले लेंगे आसमान हमारी बारी है जीत की तैयारी है
I am extremely privileged and honored to have Rahul besides me. I hate it when he's playing for the other IPL team, but that's another story. But thank you, Rahul, for participating and being a part of this, being a role model, supporting this great initiative. Is there anything you'd like to tell people? And then I'll ask you a few questions.
Firstly, I'd like to say it's great to be back here at the CCI. It's a ground with a lot of history and tradition. It's been one of the great venues
To play more tournaments, and they have a little more of audience. You know, they're performing in front of a larger audience perhaps because of being in metros.
I think, Shahrukh, the game is changing in India. I think if you look at a lot of the young cricketers today and people coming into the sport, they're actually coming in from smaller towns and cities. And I think that is the future of cricket and sport, I believe, in India. So it's great to see that, you know, there are boys and universities from slightly smaller towns, whether it's, from Gwalior and places like that. It's great to see that they're competing with the metros, and I think they have all the facilities and they have a great stage to show some great performances. Yes, in the beginning, maybe the boys from the metros might have some advantages of having played more cricket, but I think some of the boys from these smaller towns and cities have a great hunger and a desire, which could see them upset some of the bigger universities.
So all the boys who are listening to Rahul, please listen to this. And the fact that you're going to be in front of thousands and hundreds of television audience, develop a temperament for it, and just play the game as it should be without worrying about the audience. That's the kind of advice I can give. And of course, I'll ask Rahul to tell you so when they're going to be playing in front of so much audience in television now. Is there a difference in temperament that you have to develop to play?
I think the most important thing is to forget that you're playing in front of so many people. I think the most important thing is to remember that it is still a game, and you have to play the game because you love it and not focus on the results. I think do all your preparation, do what is required, and then focus on just enjoying and playing the game rather than worrying about the results or worrying about the television cameras and worrying about all your friends and family watching this game or watching you play on television. It's a huge stage. It's a great opportunity, and I would see it as an opportunity rather than a pressure.
All right, so please utilize this opportunity to the fullest, and inshallah we are going to see you as the superstars of tomorrow. थैंक यू वेरी मच एंड बिग वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू। और हमारी तरफ से और पूरे देश की तरफ से, सारी यूनिवर्सिटीज़ की तरफ से और CCI और जितने भी लोग यहाँ पर मौजूद हैं और जो तुमको देखेंगे अगले 15 दिन तक, बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो कि यू गाइस हैव रीच्ड एंड ऑल द बेस्ट। प्ले हार्ड, प्ले टफ एंड प्ले विद ग्रेट सेंस ऑफ स्पोर्ट्समैन स्पिरिट। Rahul, you like to say something to them?
You're from Jamia, no? So we know that who's the real hero of Jamia. So they're still doing what Shah Rukh Khan did many years ago. So that's it's great to see. Great energy. Just like to wish all of you all the very best. Hope you play the game in the right spirit. Play hard but play fair. All the very best.